What is going on, guys? Max Snyder here to talk about my setup that I use to film my videos. This has been a very highly requested video. Now, before I talk about my setup, I just want to say that beauty is in the eyes of the beholder. This setup works amazing for me and for what I do. I don't really have time to carry around a backpack with a stand. This setup allows me to film all day, put my Ronin down wherever it is, no stand, and it only uses 2 batteries. Now I'm going to show you guys what you need, and then I'm going to show you guys how to assemble it. What you need is a V-mount battery Photog DP500 plate, small rig V-mount plate, some sort of cheese plate, NATO rail, and then a NATO handle to go on top of the rail, a Ronin M or MX, DJI circular grip, your old handles from the old DJI grip, an HDMI cable. You then need a D-tab to dummy battery for your camera, male-to-male DC cord, arm with a monitor clamp, some kind of monitor. I use this cheap one I found on eBay for $100, and finally my GH5 and my lens. First thing you want to do is assemble the DJI circular grip and put the old handles on the bottom, then attach your Ronin. Next, at the very top, you'll see 4 screws. This is where the cheese plate goes. Screw the cheese plate on top, then the small rig V-mount plate goes on top of that, then the DP500, and then the V-mount battery on top. Flip it around to the back side and then attach your NATO rail, and then attach the NATO handle and make sure to tighten it down. After that, this is what the top should look like. Attach your camera and monitor and then run all the wires, then you're done. Hope you guys found my setup interesting. See you guys next video.